Straumann SIRIOS and Straumann AXS patient and laboratory order. Understand how to navigate within Straumann AXS as a user. Learn how to send your order to your laboratory. Get familiar with the order functionalities. Once logged in your Straumann AXS account, navigate to the Patients Plus tab located in the left-hand menu. Here you will find all the orders that have been exported from Straumann SIRIOS. You can search for your patient by name or ID. When selecting your patient, you can navigate within the patient case. Under Patient Profile, you will find all patient information. The Activities tab will display the information in regard to what has been done so far with your order. Within the Files tab, you can access the X order, which contains all scan data, prescriptions, attachments, etc. Simply double-click on the file to preview this in the 3D viewer. Within the Lab Orders tab, you can see the status as well as a summary of your lab order. Double-clicking on the lab order will open this one. The Dental Chart tab will display the dental chart of the patient. Now let's navigate under the Lab Order tab. The status of your orders is listed here. Ready to send means the order has not yet been sent to the laboratory. Invalidation means that your laboratory has not yet approved the case. In progress signifies that the laboratory has started to work on the order. In review signifies that the lab has sent the treatment plan for the clinician to review for approval or request changes. Closed means that the case has been shipped to you. Rejected means that the case has not been approved by the laboratory and has been rejected. You will then need to contact them. Cancelled means that the order has been cancelled by you. Select one patient order to open the order. Within the order on the left hand, you will find patient information as well as a summary of the treatment and other information. Under the Overview tab, you will access the order information, the lab slip and the lab information. If the case hasn't been submitted already to a laboratory, a send window will be displayed at the top of your case screen. Simply click on Send to send your case to your laboratory. Select your laboratory and hit Send. If you don't yet have any laboratory partner, simply use the Add Lab button and search for your lab partner and select Invite. Once exported, the laboratory information will be shown within the Overview tab at the bottom of the screen. If you want to cancel the export, use the three-dot menu to cancel the submission of this. Note that only an order in validation status can be cancelled. Ready to send orders can be deleted as not received by any lab yet, and in progress orders cannot be cancelled since already accepted by the lab. Under Files tab, you will find all the order files such as each PLY file as well as the X order file. Note that the X order file is a package file including all scan files, the prescription and any attachments of the case. Simply click on a file to open a 3D viewer. You can toggle between the different scans using the Scans tab located on the left-hand side. A measurement tool is also available on the top right of the screen. Select the measurement tool and click and drag to measure. You can download your files locally by using the download icon located at the end of each file by hovering over the patient order. Under the History tab, you will see all the activities done with your case. Under the Messages tab, you will be able to communicate directly with the laboratory.